Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix a particular GPU Lightmass crash issue. So for example, if I try to back the lighting, so as you can see, we have this error where it says geometry segment index is equal ray tracing mesh command, and I will show you how to fix this one. Let's restart the editor. Alright, so we are back here in the level, and first let me tell you why this issue happens. So this happens when you try to detach some part of a mesh from an object. So for example, if we look at this chair, let me bring the original version. Okay, and then with the modeling tools, I want to detach or separate the pillow from this object. So let's do it. So go into the mesh section, try select, and all in group, and select the pillow, click separate, and click accept. Alright, so we now have separated the pillow from the chair. Okay, however, if we look at its material elements, you can see that the pillow comes with all three materials that were present with the chair. This is the only material we need, right? So this is exactly what makes the GPU Lightmass crash. Okay, so the fix for this is actually very easy. All you need to do is let's basically delete this one, and I will fix it here. So this has the same issue where the pillow has unnecessary material elements. Okay, so the fix for this is you just need to apply merge actors onto this. So for example, just select this one, go to merge actors, make sure replace source actors is selected, click on merge actors, choose a folder where you want to save the mesh, let's call it flow. Okay, and then you need to do the same for the chair as well, because the chair no longer should have the pillow material, right? So let's do the same for by the way, sorry, if we now select the pillow, you will notice that it only has one element. Okay, so let's do it for the chair. So merge actors, replace source actors, select the folder. Okay, now if we look at the material IDs of the chair, you'll notice that the pillow material is gone. This is amazing. So now if we save everything and try to bake the lighting, let's see if we are good. One more trick here is if you ever struggle disabling the real-time viewport, you just need to go back from modeling mode to selection mode, and then you can enable or disable real-time viewport. Okay, so build lighting, and come on. Perfect. As you can see, we can bake the lighting.